equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the motor wheel on your Conga 1090. This task is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your device. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Conga 1090 is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by flipping the device over to access the underside. You will notice several screws holding the cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. This will expose the internal components of the vacuum. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside using the soft cloth. Keeping the internals clean will help maintain the performance of your Conga 1090. Next, locate the motor wheel. It is typically situated at the base of the unit. You may need to remove additional screws to detach the motor wheel assembly. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the motor wheel assembly away from the main body. Inspect the old motor wheel for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears worn out, it's time to replace it. Now, take your new motor wheel and align it with the assembly. Ensure it fits snugly before securing it back in place with the screws you previously removed. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. After securing the motor wheel, replace the cover of the Conga 1090. Align it properly and reinsert the screws to hold it in place. Make sure everything is tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Finally, give your Conga 1090 a quick wipe down on the outside to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Once you've done this, plug the device back in and turn it on to test the new motor wheel. It should operate smoothly, enhancing the overall performance of your vacuum. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to maintain your device from the comfort of your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.